This is a DJI Mavic 3 Pro where the landing gear is broken and both the rear arms need replaced. So we'll get it unscrewed and then we will take a look at it. It looks beautiful. And we'll have to remove these wires here, and then we'll also require soldering to remove the arms, get the arm removed, and then put the arm on, and then we'll replace the landing gear. We'll replace both arms, but I didn't show that in the video to make the video a little bit shorter, but here it is. It's all put back together with both landing gears and both arms replaced.